Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019, and if you're trying to find where the radio or navigation fuse is located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Now, you need to make sure you stay, guys, because you have three different fuse box locations on your Ford C-Max, and one of them is a little bit hidden. We'll show you how to access it, and that's where the fuse is located. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So, it's not the fuse box that's under the hood, it's actually a different location. All we have to do, come to the passenger side right here on your Ford C-Max, open the passenger door, and doesn't matter if you have the navigation or just the radio, guys. And if you need to find that fuse, okay, let me show you where it's located. Right here under the glove box you have one cover that you can remove easily, and if you want to see where all the fuse boxes are located on Ford C-Max, we have the video and it will teach you how to remove that cover there as well. And if you pay attention now, guys, okay, that's what we have specifically here. That's the body control module and the fuses. And the fuse, guys, that we need to check, okay, it's actually fuse number 79. In the top right corner you can see the fuse numbers, and it's that blue 15M fuse, guys. That 15M fuse, that's your radio fuse, 79. That's the one that controls the radio or navigation on your Ford C-Max. So if the radio doesn't work, check this one out. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.